Hey there, Angelic. I am so proud of you for pushing out that big ass baby. I'm just kidding. But I really do want to wish you congratulations. And as a little present, I'm going to show you five exercises you can do so you can start just recuperating from the amazing triumph you've just completed. Okay, so again, I'm not trying to get you snatched. I'm trying to get you back to being strong. So if in fact any of these hurt, cause severe pain, okay, ease off. You don't have to do them, but all of these exercises should be perfectly safe to complete. There we go. So I pulled it out a little bit more so you can see my whole body. And so the first exercise that you're going to do is just a grounding. So your hands are going to be at your side, and you can do this in bed. And I'm going to lift my hands to my chest. You don't have to do it, but I'm going to lift my hands to my chest so you can see. See how you can see the small of my back here? So what I'm going to do is focus on pressing my lower back down into the mat. It makes me squeeze my buttocks and pull my belly button tight. And I would just do this for 10 seconds. And then I would just go back to being comfortable. And then I would do it again. Pressing, working my lower back into the bed or mat. And then I would do it, and then I would relax. And then I would do it again. Pulling my belly button tight to my spine and trying to get the small of my back down onto the mat. Relax. So you should feel that really all here in the core, kind of just stitching the abdominals back together. And also it helps to relieve stress from the back by grounding. The next one I would do is laying completely down. One leg at a time. I would lift just a little bit, place down, and switch. Nice and neutral, just a little bit at a time. And I would do this counting to 10. Same thing though, I'm grounding the small of my back into the floor or mat. One leg at a time, lifting. And then relax. And I would do that 10 times before stopping. Little swimmers each time. The next exercise, again, I'm just doing this to show you, is I'm going to hold them. And I'm going to try to count to 10. And then I'm going to relax. This one might be a little bit harder to do, okay? And it might take you longer to be able to hold. So don't feel defeated if you can't do this one. This one is a hard one because it combines a lot of the abdominal muscles to engage. And so this is going to be tiring because they haven't been used. So don't feel discouraged if you can't hold this longer than a few seconds. Your goal would be to be able to do this for a minute. The last one I'm going to show you, you've probably heard of cat-cow. Now first and foremost, showing you front ways, my knees are open hip width apart. They're not closed, okay? This is for your man, and this is for comfort and safety. So my knees are open hip width apart, and my palms are directly under my shoulders. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna scoop, 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 pull your belly button as tight as possibly can, and then you're gonna find breath. So usually we hold this, and then exhale down. Now that's going to relieve pressure from your back if you need to, so you can do these back and forth, but that's more of a stretch. In order to engage the abs, you're going to pull them in, tuck the buttocks, and pull the belly button tight to the spine, and you're going to take 10 breaths. And then you will relax. And then you would do that again, pulling back into it. When you relax, take as long as you need to recover. Focus more on being strong enough for the next time than to rush through them. There's no pace that you need to do this where you gotta go, girl. So 10 breaths and then do that 10 times. So between those exercises, that's gonna help you feel a whole lot more stable and strong, especially in standing up from a seated position. You'll feel more stable in holding your baby upright. So ways you know that it's working would just, again, getting up should be a lot easier from a seated or lying down position, and holding your baby above your chest. So not resting your baby on your body, but being able to hold your baby like this shows that you're making improvement. And if you have any questions, just contact me. You know my number. And when you're back in the salon, let me know, because my nails look so bad, girl. I miss you. All right. Take care.